Today we are here to ask and answer one simple question. How do you stake Solana on Phantom? Let's find out. Staking Solana on Phantom is going to be a pretty easy process. You just need to make sure you have Solana in your wallet. So you can receive Solana one of two ways. You can come to the top right over here, hit buy, tap Solana, tap the amount, then tap how you want to pay. It will give you a multitude of different options. Or if we're back on the main screen, you come back here to the top left, tap receive, and it will give you two options where you can copy paste. So on your computer, you can go to whatever exchange you want, buy and send, or using your mobile phone, you can buy wherever you want. Then come over here, tap to see the barcode, scan the barcode, and send your Solana that way. Now that we have our Solana, pretty easy process. We are going to scroll right over here to where it says Solana, tap on Solana. We are going to scroll down. It will say your stake with Phantom earns 6.70% per year. Now what we're going to do is come up right over here to where it says start earning, tap on that, and then it's going to say how much do we want to put. A lot of people will just hit max and then try to stake from there. Remember though guys, you normally want to leave a little bit of room just in case you want to unstake, you need some for the gas fees. So what we're going to do now is stake 0.34 Solana. We're going to come over here to next. We are going to tap next. It is going to have you verify everything, and you get a little warning at the bottom. Estimate APY includes a 4% phantom fee. When you stake Solana tokens in exchange for PSOL, you'll receive a slightly lesser amount of PSOL. A 0.1% fee is charged for withdrawals. So right over here, let's verify everything real quick. We are staking 0.34 SOL. I'm receiving 0.32539. The account, this is the wallet I'm coming from. Provider, Phantom Soul Stake. Estimated earnings is 6.70% per year. And the network fee is right here. I agree with all this, so I'm going to hit stake. And we officially have our Soul Stake. Now that we are on the home page, we can take a look right here. It says Phantom Stake Soul with the amount that they said they were going to be giving us. If we want to unstake, we come right over here. We tap on Phantom Stake Soul. Over here under more, you come right over here and you can tap unstake. Once you do so, it will ask you for the amount. You will hit max, you will hit next. It will again have you verify everything. 0.32539 P SOL. I'm going to receive 0.34 SOL. As long as I agree to everything, everything looks good. Hit unstake. All right, it's about a minute later, and if we take a look over here, we have our original SOL back right here. We no longer have PSOL. So that's going to do it for this tutorial, guys. Let me know what other tutorials you would like to see. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.